Okay, so I've been guided to take a deeper look at some information that came through during a reading yesterday for a client. During that reading, I was shown a vision of a large wave of golden light that is coming in. It's a huge ascension wave that's coming in. And so I'm going to go ahead and ask further in Akashic Enlightenment what this wave was that I was shown. So masters, teachers, loved ones, beings of light, can you please elaborate on what that golden wave of energy, an insurgence of energy coming in that was shown in that client's reading yesterday? This is the wave of change you all have been waiting for. You have been looking for this event, this change to occur. It is now coming online. You are being shown a preview of this so that you can share it with others as it is coming and it is near. Events are lining up so that this can come in at the appropriate time, and those who are ready to ascend through this wave will do so. Thus, you are now doing this to share this message with other beings at this time. Be sure that they know that this event is of their own free will and not necessary to go through if they don't want to. All are called, some will go. It will be coming in shortly, at a matter of time between now and the end of this year, in the middle of that space. You are all being prepared for this now. Those of you who are in line to help people through this have already gone through portions of this. This is the natural law and order of how this is coming through. This is the divine synchronicity of how this is all planned and occurring. We will be sending guidance and assistance in many ways. Korisha ne kotona ne eshe eshua tashione e kotushi anane hashane shua tanane eshe ha shone kene eshe otoshiana eshe ha shiana eshe kia shuane ataisha ataishoane eshe hoashane Hoashana Eshioane, Hashana Eshikutu Ushiane Ekitisha, Atashiane, Shuatashuko Otesha, Ati Ishi Kushanya Shotosha, Hototushi Ishi Katana Ekeshoane Shokotosha ne Oshi Iti Ishua Hasha, Honyaneshi. Honyaneshe otashaneshe hata ashana katoshi hatoshaneshe kototinane eshe. This message is being broadcast in light language as well as in English, for the messages are going further than all may see with the human eye. There are many beings present and all are receiving these messages. Coming in light language also allows one to align with the frequencies of these changes instead of having to parse the energy via words coming in through the ears. The sound vibrations are easier to parse. It allows the body to accept what is coming on a subtler level that is unseen to the naked eye. You will be aligned with receiving more guidance as necessary as events occur. So stay tuned and work on staying aligned. Thank you. So I'm just going to ask and see if is there anything else that you have to tell us about this wave of energy that is coming in, that was shown to be coming in. It is a strong, massive ascension wave that you all have been preparing for. You are aware of this and you know this. There is nothing else more to say other than that the time has come. And you are preparing for this time, and you have been preparing for this time. So you are ready for this time. Kashiana shua tasha otoshi iti. Hana kete shua te shua hashu hatanane. Atatishi kutushi atasha hashio shanane. Hashiane shua atishane eshe kitisha otosha. Hashuane eshe. Hashuane neshe shia shukutu ushu. Kututushi atatanene eshe. Hatatike enene ushahata kunane eshe. Eshe eshewane eshe kotoshane esha. Ha shuane shane nene. Hotoshiane eshe anu. Osho. A o shukotunane eshe. Anene shu tiki inane. Inane shakatana eshe. And there's also a reminder coming in that to receive more light codes, again, they've sent me on this journey or mission to be doing these Elohim Ascension light language codes. And now they're saying these codes are coming in for those that feel called to use them for these energies that are starting to come in. So if you feel called to needing more ascension codes, specifically coming through the Elohim, and the Elohim are what are considered the creator beings, and they are the ones in charge of realigning our DNA to the higher original light being frequency. That is sometimes referred to as the 12 strand of DNA. It's referred to the Christ consciousness alignment, the Adam Codman alignment, the original light being alignment. All of this is what is being geared up for presently with the energy wave that is coming through. So if you feel called to go ahead and be a part of that, I will post a link below in the video description to the Elohim Ascension Code downloads that we're doing monthly. They started in August, so there's one for August. There's one that I just did on September 8th for September, and there will be another one on October 13th. So if you're feeling called to receive these codes, please sign up. They are bringing through the necessary alignment codes for those who feel called to receive them on those times. There is also, I was told to move the retreat, the Akashic Enlightenment online retreat, from starting in September to moving to October through November. So there will be an online Akashic Enlightenment webinar that takes you through the 5 transmission and alignment courses that bring you into your own Akashic records and the Book of Truth to help you align with your highest, truest self. And this seems to be in accordance with this energy wave that is coming through. I'm seeing now why they were telling me to push it forward. And so the dates for those are going to be Wednesdays on October 17th through November 14th. And that will be at 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific, and they will be on Zoom, and they will be recorded if you're not able to attend live. But you know, it's always nice to be able to attend live, and we can all be on video sharing what we are receiving, aligning with our higher soul selves, and bringing in these higher alignments for ourselves through Akashic Enlightenment. We'll go through the series of 5 classes looking at past lives, your ascension progress, and relationships and how they are affecting your lives, your star families, all of this, and also connecting with divine love and healing frequencies. So if you feel called to join that, the link to that webinar will be below as well. Okay, this was a lot longer than I thought it would be. But again, this is kind of the plan that's on deck right now. So whatever you feel called to, many blessings, and I will see you and connect with you then. Good luck on your journey, and I'm here if you need a private session as well, a one-on-one shamanic Akashic record reading for energy clearing and guidance and personal alignment. And you can email me. There's a link to my website on the YouTube channel as well. Okay, many blessings. Thank you.